back to the mix. And on the mix today we have Dwayne. And now Dwayne is talking about Erica and also Gracie. So you want to watch this video. You want to hear this video, what he has to say and what Gracie has to say in this video. She's talking about Miss D and other things. So catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And listen, this is not a normal one. We don't know what happened in this video. We don't know what going. We don't know the story. So we just have to listen to the story to hear what's going on, because it's not our story, right? So listen, and in the comment section, leave your feedback. Let me know what you think about what's going on here with Gracie and even Dwayne. And just fill up the comment section now. Yeah.
Why you so obsessed with me, woman? I call me cute, I must call me cute. Why every time you fly guy your eardresser, you fly go the ear too. Mr. One look about the car but I say, Dwayne, you know what I say? Them say go over YouTube. Mr. I want over there. When me go look, when them go look, them go support you in a red ear. Mr. Go by YouTube. But look at it. How many days Porty don't have no hairstyle Porty don't have. But as soon as the wisher go get the wisher hair done, Porty fly guy here just like that. Porty, what is the obsession? Women get so obsessed with me, with my life. Porty, what is it, Porty? No, Sharon, man, don't laugh, girl, don't laugh. Sharon, me say Sharon, every time I got hairdresser, I swear to God, Porty got hairdresser to me, swear to God. Only go on back, go look to Porty video them. Every time the Wisha come up with a new hairdo, Porty fly, go get hairdo too. Porty is what, Porty? Porty are what, Porty? Porty, is it that you're sitting at me where you want to be in here? Porty, what? Porty, make us obsessed with me, woman. You can't have a mind for yourself, you know when to get your Kayan mattress done is what, Porty? Porty is what? Porty, what every time I got here just your fly guy here just a Porty. Porty, what is the obsession about Porty? Porty, until this day, I can't understand what this obsession is about, Porty. Porty, your fee say me in a competition with your girl? Porty, your fee say me in a competition with you? You're serious, girl? You're serious? No, girl, that nothing happen. You're a woman, me a man. You can't want in a competition with a man, girl. You cannot be in a competition with a man. You hear me? You cannot want to be in any competition with a man. Girl, go to the hairdresser on your own. Go and get your hair done when you want to get your hair done. And don't wait for me if you got hairdresser and then you fly got hairdresser like say, me in a competition with you for your wig them. This is real here. For your wig them, girl. No, that not for happen. I know Porty, me nah cuss a girl, me just talk the truth. Go and go look for your video them, Porty. Every time the Wisha go out here, just every time you fly go get your hair done too. Girl, do better. You should be getting your hair done at least every week. You forgot you just go get your ear done, girl. Cause it's a woman. Me can't hold out a little bit long, cause me a man. You see, it should be no competition here. You have a vagina and me have one pingy. You have a vagina and me have pingy. You understand? I me know see what is a pingy. Me know see what is a pingy. And you have vagina and me have pingy. So you can't in a competition, me girl. You can't in a competition. No, girl. Anyways, back to the topic of conversation. Anyways, Porty, your wig, may I give you one 2 out of 10. May I give you 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. Oh, and public service announcement. Whoever is trying to mix me up over there, so is not me. Is not me. Right? Me no want nobody go.
We see Dwayne asking Erica, you know, what is the problem. He's saying that every time he does his hair or whatever, she goes out and she does hers as well. He's asking what it is that she sees in him that she, you know, she wants to be like him, if she sees something in him, you know, that she wants to portray. So, I mean, he's asking a few questions here. So, just continue listening to what he has to say. And also, later on, you will hear Gracie speaking as well. So, go ahead and continue watching. Have a wonderful day.
Don't stop calling my name. Stop calling my name. I'm not that important. Anyways, me could hear with the Sheila the officer. Me could hear with the Sheila the officer about over the shop, and that will come for earboat. And that will come for earboat.
Wait a minute, please.
Turn off this damn Wi-Fi. Because it's messing up my
Who
damn
that
thing.
pan Porty live yesterday when Porty and Gay herself
Alright,
and
see
then delete
ya.
back the live. Porty, let me tell you something.
I'll put
Let
it
me tell you
neto.
something. Because I know you hand the all over this and I know the bimbo book is in you.
I'll put it up
And
on
then hand
it.
the all over it. Let me tell you something. You see, everything me did say about Dana last night or whenever me say about Dana, me never afraid. Anything me say about Dana upon my life, me never delete it because I want to wall that honesty.
What you
Me
not
not throw a
say?
stone and dash right back. Tell you already, Dana have my food ticket. Yeah? She have my food ticket, she have my meal ticket. So if me not big her up, me not go nyam. And my bills them not go play.
Go down right, go to the bathroom. Why? You what you say?
You come out yesterday, you throw a whole heap of stone and you lick. And you delete the live and do like said, nobody never trouble. You come out and you mix up that and name yesterday, truth to be told. You do it. I mean, I look for your life and can't find it.
Me I go from the beginning, more I hear every word for word, more want to
You
hear.
come out yesterday and mix up Dana name and mix up Maxine. All kind of mix up you put it. And that's why that Maxine come out and Dana and say, Dana, I chat cause some mix up where you come put the woman in a yesterday and they leak back the life. You dirty potty. Julia, we're hypocrite there everywhere. So when them fi take down how long and me can't remember fi go in a range fi take down. Me not have time for watch range as you know. Everywhere hypocrite there, every platform have hypocrite. And over here Salon, everywhere you turn hypocrite. No man not be real to nobody. She did it, she come out yesterday nation now. And trouble everybody, fling whole heap of stone and call and name the all kind of mix up. And then she delete the live. Porty do it. Porty come out yesterday. I can't find the live when Porty do it. Porty delete the live. I want to look for it. I want to look for live when she come out, come trouble people yesterday. Then call that and name now kind of mix up. I mean, I say Maxine, then Maxine mad. Why if you just get up and then remember that me see the live there? Porty, you don't do it. The one where should have review Carrot video. Oh, nobody not see the live there. Nobody see it. Anybody see the live, they send me come give me. No.
Stick up in Grace, the live, the pan ported on Facebook, me the see it on Facebook. What's up thinking more there?
It. I remember she come live yesterday, come review Carrot video. Some stuff what she talk up on the video there, and it's truth.